Yeah, exactly. We want to win. Smart. Today's the work, I think.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm a big dog fan. You guys were talking about dogs or something? Like a little dog?
Yeah. What kind of dog fan are you?
I like all dogs. I like little girl dogs.
We're talking about chihuahuas.
Oh, really? Chihuahuas?
Yeah, it's female chihuahuas.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. They're cool, aren't they?
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Yeah. They're the oldest living dogs around.
Yeah, right? So that guy's talking about little girl chihuahuas because I called them chihuahuas, and then the guy over there was talking about female dogs too. So this is all on the same day within an hour and a half.